Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, in today's tutorial, we're going to try to redesign this guy here. Okay. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to go over to Pixellab and go to from gallery and import the original design so that we get the size. So we can remove this guy. Alright, so let's just remove this, delete it, delete this one too. Alright, so the background is white. If you notice very well, you will see that there are some organic shapes. So let's begin there. Let's begin there. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to import this. Alright, it's not here. So let's go to download. Okay. Colorful abstract. Right, is it? So let's import this guy. Okay. Then we'll go to erase color to remove the color. Right, then we can begin to crop them out. So watch what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go over here. Let's crop this guy out first. Alright, so for this one, I'm going to put it here like that, like this. Like this. I see that there now. Alright, then I would copy it and bring it here. Alright, so let's assume that one is there like that. Then we want to, I can delete this one. We want to copy, okay? Copy and let's get another one. So let's say this guy here. Okay, so for this we can put it here. Okay, like that. I seen it. Alright, so we can also copy that one and put it here. Alright, then we'll copy again and try to look for another one. Let's say, okay, let's use this one now. Okay, so increase it and we'll put it there. Okay, and then let's just use this one for here and increase it. Okay, then this guy, let's put it here. Okay, let's assume now that we've got all the shapes figured out. Now what we're gonna do is very interesting. We are going to use a single color for all of it. So let's use red. Okay, so let's just go and use this red. Use this red for all of it. Alright, delete. So we're using red for all, and this guy here, then this guy here. Alright, so now that we're done with that, we are going to now bring in a shape. Now let the shape spread out throughout the design. Then you send it to the back like this. Are you seeing that now? Then you will click and merge everything together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, then you merge. Now that it has been meshed together, you go over to erase color and pick the red color. just click and go to red and pick the red color. And you see that now we now have this transparent thing. So the reason for this is because I'm going to put this image right here at the back. Right, just watch what I want to do. I'm going to put this at the back like this. I'm going to put it at the back like this. Okay, then I'm going to reduce the opacity and take out the like this. Right, then I would also copy this and I'll put it here. Okay, I'll put it T. Then I'll copy this. Now we would have used another image before. I'll copy this and put it there also. Alright, now that I'm done with that, I'll send it to the back like this. Send this to the back. I'll send this to the back. Then I'm going to bring in, there's a shape there and there's a color. So I'm going to bring in this from here to here to here to here. It's going to be that pink color. So we're going to go over here and we'll make it the pink. Like that. And I will send it to the back too. I see that now. Then I'm going to copy it. And I'll bring it here. Now from here, it's going to be that yellow. So go over here. Enable it. I'll come over here and I'll pick the yellow, which is this yellow here. Alright, and I'll send it to the back. Okay, so after that I can after this now I can bring in my image, this guy right here that I'm going to be using. I'll bring it and it's going to be there. I see that now. So you see, then this white, I can change the color now. This guy here, click on the white shape, enable it like this, then go to the original design, which is this guy, and click on this. So the color is not totally white, so it's like this. All right, so we'll see how to go about the next. So we have Prozimos shows. All right, so let's go. So we just click here like this. Prozimos. All right, so we're going to use a vertical. All right, we'll use a vertical like this. Increase it, check and see. All right, it's spanning from year to year. So I wish you can make it bold, but that is all. So make it like this or do it like this. All right, we'll go to color and then we'll click to select the color. Okay, click to select the color like that. All right, so we'll close it up, the space a little, increase it. Okay, and let's see if we can add a shadow to it. All right, this Prozimos, right? Then we want to go over here, copy it, then go to color, go to plus, move your cursor to this transparency here. All right, so it's going to disappear. Then you're going to be transparent right there. You're going to go to stroke and enable it, and just take it to 1 like this. Then you would, all right, you check here, you see that it is. All right, so we'll do this 1. Right, we'll keep copying it. We'll keep copying it like this. Right, like that. Okay, then I'll bring the first one to the front here like this. Right, then I'll come over here, look for a decent script font, and we'll use it to write the shows there. So let's go and look for something that can. Okay, this is not bad, so we'll do this, increase it. All right, go to padding and make sure that everything is out properly like this. Do it again. Then go to color and make sure that you're using the proper color from the design, lemon kind of. All right, like this. All right, so if you check here, you have some other stuff here. 15 May, blah 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 blah. So I'm just gonna use a shape for that. Right. All right, so do this. All right. If you want to make it make more sense, then you could use this guy here. So let's go to pick something. So let's use this guy. So it's going to be there like that. Then we'll change the color. Let's just change the color to one color. Okay. So don't need to use. Okay, you can even use two colors. So let's use this. All right. Go to gradient. Let's use two colors. All right. So we're choosing this first. Okay. Then we'll come over here. We're choosing the other color. Something like that. All right. And we just put them like that. All right. Okay, so we'll see that there are more. Alright, so for the sake of this design, I'm not going to really take my time to do the origins there. I'm just going to put 15th May and then I'll write just any dummy text right there. So we can just copy this guy here. Not that. Okay, this. Also copy it. Alright, I'll just write 15 May. Okay, alright, so go over here. Okay, then we'll come over here. Okay, so we'll just do that for all of them like this. Okay. So just keep duplicating them like that. So I'm gonna write here. Right. Alright, so we are done, we are done, we are done. Copy this. Okay. Copy this. Alright, so when you're done with your design, you can go ahead and save it. Right, so check and compare this. There's a logo here, but that's not so very important, so you can go. You can see that we're good to go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. My name is Niyi Amuda, and I will see you